In today's video, I am going to teach you how to give more people access on Zoho. This is useful when you are bringing a new team member on board or when someone needs access to additional Zoho apps to do their work. We will go through the exact place to add a user, choose the right role, and make sure they can open the apps they need. Start by signing in to your Zoho account in your web browser. Once you are on your Zoho homepage or inside any Zoho app, look to the top right corner for Settings. Click Settings to open your account and Administrative Options. This area is where you manage organization-level access, so make sure you are signed in with an account that has permission to add users. Next, find and select Manage Account. Inside Manage Account, choose Users. This takes you to the User Management page, where you can see who already has access and what level of access they have. Take a moment to review the list so you do not create a duplicate user. Now click the plus sign option labeled Add User. A form will appear for the new user details. Enter the person's name, then enter their email address. Make sure the email is typed correctly, because this is where the invitation will be sent, and it is typically used for their sign-in. After that, select a role for the user. Choose the role that matches their responsibilities. Admin is usually for someone who needs broad control over settings and users. Manager is often for someone who oversees teams or records but does not need full administration. Standard is a safer choice for most day-to-day users who just need to work inside the apps. Next, select the Zoho apps they should have access to, such as People, CRM, or Books. Only enable what they actually need. This keeps access clean and reduces confusion for the new user when they log in. When you are ready, click Add or Invite. This finalizes the user setup and sends them the invitation to join. Once they accept, they should be able to access the selected apps based on the role you assigned. And that is all there is to it.